Well, hello there. So, okay, we are making a witch hat today. So, if you've been on my other channels, you know I've been wearing my witch hat a lot. So, I thought we would make one because why not? Okay, so I created a new document. Super simple. We're going to start with our pen tool. So, come over to your pen tool and I want you to click down. And then I want you to hold down your shift key and click down again. And then I want you to continue to hold down your shift key and click to the side. And then we're going to go back to the top and close it off. We made a triangle. Yay! Okay, I don't know why mine is showing up as a stroke. Yours is probably not. Yours is probably showing up like that. That's what I'm assuming. White for the fill and black for the stroke. So we're just going to swap our fill and stroke. We're going to click on that white stroke and we're going to click on none. Okay? Come over to the selection tool and we're going to copy and paste this triangle. So edit, copy, edit, paste. Okay, super simple. I'm going to hold down my shift key and I'm going to use my reflection tool, my reflect tool, okay? Now, if you have the rotate tool up, that's okay. You just need to hold down with your mouse or your tablet or whatever you're using and move it down to reflect, okay? Hold down your shift key and I just want you to pull to the right, okay? So pulling to the right, so easy, right? Coming over to our selection tool, we're going to just bring those really close together, select both of them, and we're going to align them to the top. Now, the nice thing is we can just use the align that's sitting right here at the top of your screen. If yours is not showing up, go to Window and Align, okay? And that'll bring you up this cute little window. So select that, top or bottom, doesn't matter which one, but basically you've made yourself the front of the top of your hat, okay? I'm going to select both of these and we are going to pathfind them together. So go to your pathfinder right next to your align window. If not, go to Window, Pathfinder, and it'll bring it up that way, okay? And we are going to go ahead and unite these two items. Now, for some reason, you still see a blue line in the middle. What it means is that you haven't pushed them close enough together. So go ahead and push, like, do an undo, do an edit undo, or Control Z, okay? And push them a little bit together with, like, your arrow button until they're overlapped, and you'll get something like this. Now, the cool thing at this point is mine's kind of wide. I think mine's kind of wide. I want mine to be skinnier. You can just come in and make it skinnier like that. So easy. Okay, last thing, we're going to come over to our ellipse tool. If your ellipse tool is not showing, it is hidden under your rectangle tool. So come to your rectangle tool and choose your ellipse tool, and we're just going to make a long piece, a long oval, just like that, and place it right there. We now have the outline of a hat. So simple, right? Now, of course, you can do all sorts of things to it from here. I'll leave it up to you at this point. But the point is, it is very simple to get a really great silhouette. Okay, hope you guys are having a good Halloween and you had a chance to make this with me. And I'll see you guys next time.